Getting to know Relay UK, the app that helps anyone with hearing and speech difficulties communicate by phone. This video describes how to enjoy a free-flowing conversation when you've set your Relay communication preference to typing and reading. But if you have chosen another preference, the steps are almost the same. Once you've joined a call, type out your message in the app window. The Relay assistant will read out what you type to the other person, then type their response for you to read in the app. Your words will appear on the right-hand side as you send them, and are sent word by word to keep the conversation free-flowing. Replies will appear on the left. If you have GA, go ahead enabled and press Enter to add GA at the end of your sentence, your keyboard may disappear. Don't worry, it will reappear when you tap or click on the text box. If you've saved any favourite phrases, perhaps a name or address that you need to share often, select the heart icon on the right-hand side. Then just tap or click on the favourite you want and it will be added to the conversation and sent straight away. You can also mute and unmute the audio in the call with the microphone icon opposite the heart. On mobile phones, predictive text will most likely be on, so suggested words will appear under the text bar to help with your conversation. You can change how this works within your phone or device settings. When your conversation is over, switch from the app to your phone dialer to end the call. A message in the app will show the call has ended, and you will be asked if you want to save the call. Click Yes if you'd like to save your text conversation. This is saved in the app, so it's private to you and can't be accessed by anyone else. You can find this later under Saved Calls, where you see the name or number of who the call was with and the date, time, and length of your conversation. Your most recent calls are shown at the top. Select the one you want to read the text. You can delete saved conversations whenever you want to. To do this, tap on the rubbish bin icon in the top right corner. You will then be asked to confirm whether you want to delete the conversation. A list of all your latest calls is shown under Calls, and you can tap or click on any of these to start another conversation with that contact. You're now ready to become part of the conversation. Visit our website for more step-by-step explainer videos.